You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce these brand name. If you want to learn more vocabulary and names like this that are confusing, including from finance, stay tuned. Or finance, how do you say finance, finance? Let me know in the comments. Kalshi is how it is usually pronounced, financial exchange and prediction market based in New York City. Kalshi, some may say a bit more as Kalshi, that's fine too. Kalshi. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.